Number 50, Whopper, Junior, double, triple, Whopper, flame grill taste with perfect toppers. I boom, this day. Lettuce, mayo, pickle, ketchup is okay. If I don't want that impossible, bacon, Whopper, any Whopper, my way, Whopper, Junior, double, triple, Whopper, flame grill taste with perfect toppers. I boom, this day.
Do you need driving experience before you take the computer test? No. You need to understand driving. Each state has its own test. You can go onto the state website, and then it will prepare you for your next step. Let's continue. Establish reference points. You need to learn how to drive the car down the center of the road. You need to learn how to stay to the right. You need to learn how to stay to the left. A lot of beginning drivers do not understand lane reference points. In my videos, I will show you that. I will prepare you for that so you can be ready. Are you running? Stop running. Learn how to drive. Watch my videos. Click that heart. If you really want to learn how to drive, you're going to follow me. If you really want to learn how to pass your test, you will follow me. You have to see the value. There are a lot of content creators on our platform, and they should be. I'm one of many, but I'm experienced. I have a large following. I have proof that I can have people pass the test. It puts in work. You have to put in work. And when you put in work, you're going to improve, and you have to put in work. And when you put in work, you're going to improve, and you enter the roadway from a curved or parked position. You use your blinker, you look over your shoulder, you check everything you need to be safe. Next, you got to be able to move forward. Put your foot on the brake, put the car in drive, gently push the gas, never hit the gas hard. So you've got to stay focused. You have to reach your goal. This is a high energy live. I want you to feel good. When you ask a question or when you join, I will shout you out. Let's keep it going. Hey Kitty, how are you?
Why you bullying me?
Why you bullying me? Hey, how are you doing? Let's keep it going, okay? Put those questions in. Now, let's continue. I need you to be able to complete left and right turns. You've got to center your vehicle. You got to turn in your blinker if you're making a right turn. You turn on your blinker up. You check your mirror. You look over your shoulder. You get us over to the right. You yield. You look to your left. You check your traffic. You look to your right. Check your traffic. When it's clear, you go in the nearest lane. Let's keep moving. Next, I need you to determine the minimum time and space gaps for maneuvers for a 2-lane road, a 3-lane road, and as the roads get more complex, you need to visualize yourself. Where am I at? If I need to be in the left lane, I need to go over to the left lane. If I need to be in the right lane, I need to be over to the right. If I'm going straight, am I in the correct lane? Look at your pavement markings.
早上好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋，我们喜欢冰淇淋，但是速度与激情就比冰淇淋，速度与激情就我最喜欢。
So you need to know where you are. You need to know what you're doing. Thank you. Thank you, Elle. I'm going to go ahead and shout you out. Thank you for the glitter. I really do appreciate that. I'm going to shout you out. That was so fun, guys. I'm having so much fun. Let's keep asking questions. Join my live. Click the heart. Let's elevate together. Now, let's continue. I need you to be able to operate your vehicle. You need to know how to put the car into gear. You need to know how to use your right foot. Yes, I do. Click the link in the bio. Follow me. You'll be able to make an appointment with me. I exactly know what the questions I'm supposed to do when studying. I'm confused. Well, you need to click the link in the bio. You need to ask them. If you're confused, you need to follow me. That's the first thing you need to do. The second thing you need to do is put some questions in. Okay, I'm in the Midwest, gang. What is going on? Let's keep it going. Love that. In the Midwest, let's keep it going. Okay? Click the link in the bio. That will take you to where I'm located, and you can sign up for a coaching call. Let's keep going. Now, establish reference points. You got to be able to establish reference points, okay? And it's really important. You need to use my driving class. No hate, no cap. Every driving school is good. They have good teachers, they have good instructors, they have good cars. You need to find a school that is near you, that supports you, that has a good price point. So it's really important. If you don't have your permit and you're over 18, you need to go to Secretary of State. If you don't know what to do, you need to go to your DMV, go to that website, find in the rules. If you're failing the test multiple times, first you need to follow me. Next, you need to put a private message in. And then thirdly, I'm gonna reply to you and help you. If you're failing tests, you're doing something wrong. Are you running yellow lights? Are you overspeeding? Are you going too slow? Are you not stopping at regulatory signs? There's always a reason. Put the responsibility on you. If you're failing the computer test, then you need to review your road signs, your pavement markings, right of way. I have study guides for all this, but you need to make a commitment to put time into it. You can't just and think, I'm gonna pass this test. There are some people who are smart enough and good enough, no cap, not saying you're not smart enough or good enough, but if you keep failing the test, you gotta put some more time into it, okay? Just like my life, I'm trying to bring good energy in and make people happy. Okay, you have to study, just like I'm studying right now. Thank you, Ray. Let's hit you up, Ray. Okay, let's hit you up, Ray.
Open the door.
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 Open the door. Ray, thank you for taking the time to support me, showing you care, showing you love. And Ray, I appreciate you. Ray, make sure you are following me, clicking the heart, clicking the like, clicking the diamonds. This will automatically link you with me and me with you. So every time I post a video or go live, you're going to get notification. And it's a community. There are a community of people who want to learn how to drive. Some of you don't have a car. Some of you have failed your first test. Some of you are in segment 1 or segment 2. Everyone is a little bit different, and I can help you. Okay, broken line. If there's a broken line on your side, you can pass. If you have a solid line, it discourages you from passing. Every state is different. Every rule is different. Okay, so let's keep going. Establish reference points. I talked about that. You need to aim high. You need to look ahead, okay? And when you aim high and look ahead, this will help you from hugging the right. A lot of beginning drivers look down at the speedometer or look at the white line. A lot of beginning drivers look at the yellow line. It's like walking in school, walking down your street. It's really important that you aim high and look ahead. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you for the lights. Let's keep going. Can we get to 1K? Can we get to 1K? Let's continue. Good energy. Let's keep it going, okay? Hey, next, you need to be able to complete left and right turns at intersections. That is really important. And when you yield for pedestrians, you're showing them it's okay. When you're driving, make eye contact with pedestrians. You have to be able to see what is going on.